Good morning, children. In the previous video, we have started our new lesson, that is lesson number 21, The Journey to the Great Oats. In this, I have told you some part of the story that here are these five characters, Dorothy and Toto. She loves her dog Toto very much, and they both were whisked, means they both were taken to the city of Great Oats by the cyclone. There she meets these other three characters, Scarecrow, Tin Woodman, and a lion. So this Scarecrow, he needs a brain, Tin Woodman, who needs a heart, and this lion, he needs bravery. So in this way they started their journey towards to the Great Oats. There they want to meet the wizard who is going to help them, Wizard of Oz. Okay, so when they started their journey, there was a great ditch. Ditch means it was a valley. It was so deep that they could not jump over it. This ditch has jagged rocks at the bottom. If any one of them fall down, he will not be alive. So after sinking some moment, this cowardly lion, he decided that he will jump over this ditch. So he asked, who is going to go first? So Scarecrow said that he will be going first, because if Dorothy will go, and if this lion is unsuccessful in his jump, so this Dorothy will be killed. This Tin Woodman, he will be badly dented on the rocks. So he decided that he should go first. So he just crouched on this Scarecrow sat on lion's back, and this lion jumped on the other side. Then Dorothy, she decided to go next. So she took her dog in her hand and hold tightly to the mane of this lion. So this much part I have explained you. Let us see now what will happen in the next day. So before she had time to think about it, she was safe on the other side. The lion went back a third time and got the Tin Woodman, and then they shall sat down for a few moments to give the beast a chance to rest, for his great leaps had made his breath short, and he panted like a big dog that has been running too long. So this time also, this lion was successful in his jump. So third time also he goes back, and this time he brought Tin Woodman. So after coming down to the other side of this ditch, they gave rest to this beast. Beast means animal. Okay, beast means animal, because he has made three leaps, and three times he leaps from one side to another side. That's why it had made his breath short. Means now he was very tired and taking deep breath. Okay, so he was breathing very fastly. So he panted like a dog, and that has been running too long. Okay, after running long, how these dogs do, like this he was also doing. They found the forest very thick on this side, and it looked dark and gloomy. After the lion had rested first, they started along the road of yellow brick, silently wondering each in his own mind if ever they would come to the end of the woods and reach the bright sunshine again. To add to their discomfort, they soon heard strange noises in the depth of the forest, and the lion whispered to them that it was in this part of the country that the Kalidas lived. What are the Kalidas? Asked the girl. They are monstrous beasts with bodies like bears and heads like tigers, replied the lion, and with claws so long and sharp that they could tear me in two as easily as I could kill Toto. I am terribly afraid of the Kalidas. So now they started again. They found this lion is very thick, and that's why it was dark and also gloomy. So they started wandering from there on the road of yellow brick. This road is made of yellow brick. Silently they started wandering, and again they listened something strange noises. So after some time, this girl means, what is the name of girl? Dorothy. Yes, name of the girl is Dorothy. She asked, what is Kalidas? So this lion, he tell about this Kalidas. He said that he is a monstrous beast who has body of bear. Her body is like bear, and he has a head of tiger. Kalidas means it is the name of an animal who has body of bear and head of tiger. He also has sharp and long claws, and it can tear this lion very easily. Okay. I am not surprised that you are, returned Dorothy. They must be dreadful beasts. The lion was about to reply when suddenly they came to another curve across the road. But this one was so broad and deep that the lions knew at once he could not leap across it. So they sat down to consider what they should do. And after serious thought, the scarecrow said, here is a great tree standing close to the ditch. If the Tin Woodman can chop it down so that it will fall to the other side, we can walk across it easily. That is a first rate idea, said the lion. One would almost suspect you had brain in your head instead of straw. The woodman set to work at once, and so sharp was his axe that the tree was soon chopped nearly through. So here this Dorothy said that I am not surprised that you are. They must be dreadful beasts. He said yes, they should be. That Kalidas should be very dreadful beast. But this lion was about to reply when suddenly they came to the another gulf across the road. But this one was so broad and deep. Now again they come to another ditch, which was very broad and deep. Now everyone know that lion cannot leap across it. So they sat down and started thinking on this serious issue. So Scarecrow said that here is a great tree standing close to the ditch. There was a big tree which was exactly near the ditch. If this Tin Woodman, if he will chop it down so that it will fall on the other side, we can cross it so easily. So this Scarecrow gave an idea that they should this Tin Woodman should chop down the tree so that they can walk across it easily. So Lion said that is a really fantastic. This first rate idea means very excellent idea. First rate means excellent. Okay. First rate means excellent. Lion said that this is a excellent idea, that we suspect that you had brain in your head instead of straw. This Tin Woodman, the Scarecrow has given a very excellent idea, that this lion said that everyone will suspect that he had a brain because he was searching for a brain. Okay, so the woodman set to work and he chopped nearly through, means he chopped the tree nearly. It was nearly chopped. But this lion put his strong front legs against the tree and he pushed with all his might, and slowly the big tree tripped and fell with a crash across the ditch with its top branches on the other side. That means this lion pushed it so that it fall to the these branches fall to the other side of the ditch. Okay, so they had just started to cross this square bridge when a sharp growl made them all look up, and to their horror, they saw running toward them two great beasts with bodies like bears and heads like tigers. They are the Kalidahs, said the cowardly lion, beginning to tremble. Quick, cried the scarecrow, let us cross over. So Dorothy went first, holding Toto in her arms. The Tin Woodman followed, and the scarecrow came next. The lion, although he was certainly afraid, turned to face the Kalidahs, and then he gave a so loud and terribly roar that Dorothy screamed and Scarecrow fell over backward, while even the fussy beast stopped short and looked at him in a surprise. So when they are crossing this square bridge means it was not so wide. Okay, it was short one. So they started crossing this bridge. They listened the growl of this beast. Who were they? They were Kalidahs. This cowardly lion already informed them that Kalidahs has body like bears and they have head like tigers. So Scarecrow also said this, quick, quick. So first Dorothy took Toto in her hand. She went another side. Tin Woodman also go, and Scarecrow comes the next one. But this lion was at the last. Instead of crossing that ditch, he stopped there and he gave a terribly shout. Okay, so this beast, this fussy beast also stopped and looked at him in a surprise. They were also surprised because of this roar of this lion. Okay, and seeing this, all the things, this lion and this remembering that there were two of them, only one of him, the Kalidahs again rushed forward. The lion crossed over the tree and turned to see what would they do next. Without stopping an instant, the fussy beast also began to cross the tree, and the lion said to Dorothy. So now this lion also crossed, but when they looked behind them, they found that this Kalidahs also started coming back to them. So next story, just try to think what will happen next. Okay, till the time you can read the story whatever I have taught you. Remaining story I will be explaining you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.